Welcome back to CNC Carve Pro. Today, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to share with you. If you want to take your CNC projects to the next level and create stunning pocketed shapes at different angles, you're in the right place. We'll also compare two popular strategies, raster and offset, and prove why the offset strategy is the way to go for flawless carvings. So let's dive right in. Hey, CNC carvers! We all know how essential the pocket toolpath is in VCarve Pro. It's like a secret weapon for creating those recessed masterpieces. With this feature, you can easily carve out intricate designs, letters, and other complex shapes with varying depth. But here's the exciting part. We can also apply this toolpath at different angles for even more creativity and versatility in our CNC projects. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about the raster strategy, one of the options when generating the pocket toolpath. The raster strategy carves in a back and forth linear motion, which can be useful for certain projects. But there's a catch. When we have shapes at different angles, it might not always give us the results we want. The problem is, the raster strategy can leave behind uncarved portions, especially on those tricky shapes with varying inclinations. Arg, so frustrating. Nobody wants incomplete carvings, right? But fear not, fellow CNC enthusiasts. There's a better way. The offset strategy. This strategy follows the contour of each shape, creating a continuous and precise carving motion. And guess what? The offset strategy ensures that every nook and cranny of your design is carved with jaw, dropping precision. No more incomplete carvings. It adapts flawlessly to the varying angles, resulting in a smooth and accurate outcome for your man's project. See the difference? The raster strategy left some parts untouched, while the offset strategy conquered the entire design flawlessly. That's why we always choose offset for intricate projects. So let's quickly recap our quick tips for today. Embrace the power of the pocket toolpath in VCarve Pro for creating recessed areas with varying depths. When dealing with shapes at different angles, ditch the raster and go for the offset strategy. It guarantees complete and accurate carvings every single time. And most importantly, keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. That's it for today's quick tips and tricks on CNC Carve Pro. Remember, choosing the right toolpath strategy can make a world of difference in your CNC projects. So go ahead, try out the offset strategy and let your creations shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things CNC Carve Pro. Thanks for joining us today and happy carving. Don't forget to showcase your finished carvings on social media and tag us at CNC Carve Pro. We love seeing your incredible work. Until next time, keep carving and stay creative.